Hello, friends. Uh, I am here with another interesting and knowledgeable video. This is about first, we will start with the news story. It's about a few weeks ago, Pakistan Army inducted SH-15 Howitzer in its inventory. SH, it is said that 52 are already in service and 236 are on order. So it's not clear these 52 are included in 236 or 236 are in addition to that. The total figure would be somewhere 300 or 236 or 300. Uh, Howitzer is an offensive weapon in the sense that due to its mobility, it's used in offensive operations also, besides the defensive operations. Uh, the unique feature of SH-15 is that it's a wheeled howitzer. Generally, uh, the howitzers are on the tank chassis, means uh, they are tracked vehicles, but this one has wheels. This concept was first uh, experimented by the French, and that was called uh, Caesar, and but it holded only 18 rounds. This Chinese one is a much improved version, and that French case was in early 2000. So about 15-20 years have passed, and China has now introduced this. This is a 6x6 wheeled Shamji truck chassis. Has a crew of between 5 to 6 people. It has a maximum weight of 25 ton, and the load of the gun is 22.5 tons. It has an armored cabin which is bulletproof, and its windows and windshields are bulletproof. That is a safety against small arms and shell splinters during the war. Anyways, this is not deployed on the front because it has maximum range of claimed range of 72 kilometer. So it's in a relatively safe area. But if ever there is a threat, then you can also fix a heavy machine gun on the top of its armored cabin also. It has 60 rounds in four boxes. Its normal range of normal artillery round is 40 kilometer. It can fire 4 to 6 rounds per minute and can also directly fire at the target also. The unique feature is that it has 1 minute conversion time. It means from the vehicle stoppage to the firing, it takes 1 minute time. So it is what we call in military. It has shoot and scoop capability that it can fire and quickly move, so as to avoid uh, the enemy using their firefinder radars to target it. So in that sense, it is highly mobile. It's already in service with PLA 72 Group Army in their Eastern Theatre Command. In Pakistan, it was first exhibited in 10th International Defense Exhibition and Seminar, that is called Ideas, in 2018. Uh, this pretty much rounds up the info that I have uh, on this howitzer system. Uh, because of its wheel base, it can move uh, from, you can say, light bridges and that areas on where the heavy tanks cannot move. So in that sense, It's basic, you can things that stands out, that makes it stand out from other systems. That is its mobility, its firepower, and its conversion time. That means that it can move, and then fire again, and then move. So that becomes very challenging from for the enemy. So that's all from my side today. Please comment, and please say what type of videos you want in this channel. Take care. Bye.